Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today is Saturday. Say hey, Daddy. I'm gonna play that on there.
I wasn't trying to do that.
Yes, he's trying to play that ghetto music.
Ghetto.
So today is Saturday. Saturdays are for shopping, so we're about to do some shopping. That's what we're about to do, and we're taking you guys along. We have not done a Saturday shopping vlog, I don't think, all year. Have we done? maybe about one or two this year, but we're about to do some shopping, so let's go shopping. We have to go to Home Depot. We're going to Home Depot or to Menards, one or the other, maybe both. We're going to go to this new giant Kroger that's have been built in our area, and I've been wanting to go to this Kroger, and I think that's about it. I think I'm gonna go to like a Walmart too, because I want to get another SIM card, and we're gonna come back to the house and chill out. It's a nice warm day, so we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Give me my phone. Say hi and give my phone.
Hi guys.
Alright guys, talk to you guys in a little bit. Oh, y'all like my shirt? I got that from Shein. That's cute, right? Y'all saw that Shein haul. This is my first time wearing that shirt from my last Shein haul. So, boom.
Bush butter.
Alright guys, so we are at this new giant Kroger that's near our house, and it has a Starbucks in the inside.
Oh, and guys, in the card count that was a drink.
Yeah, so we don't like have a Starbucks that's like super close to us, so this one is like really close, so we can get Starbucks on a regular now, because the Starbucks is like 4 or 5 miles away, and this is just around the corner from us, so we're like excited about that.
Ooh, that's
yes.
so cool. Ooh,
but this Kroger
guys, we could have just walked here.
No, it's not that close to walk here, but this Kroger is so big than our normal Kroger, so we're gonna see what they have in the inside. Like, I've been excited to come to this Kroger since I saw it on the news opening up, and we finally made it. I got some ashy toes. Look, I put lotion on. I should put more lotion on my toes. Where's her hat? Look, I got ashy toes. It's okay. Alright, so this Kroger even have a sushi counter. So you know what that means? We're gonna get some sushi. Alright, so we are inside the Kroger.
Yeah. Where's the Starbucks?
And I don't know, Starbucks might be on the other side. Oh, it's right here.
Let's get one first. That one.
No, because we can't drink it in. We're not taking our masks off. So Kroger is a store that has released their mask mandate, so people can shop without masks if they're vaccinated. So
why won't you get vaccinated?
I don't trust the vaccine just yet. So we're about to grab some sushi. So we got our sushi. There's the sushi counter. Like you saw, they had a huge variety of sushi. Our normal one does not have a sushi counter, so that is like exciting for us. And we're gonna just shop, and I'm gonna touch you guys when we leave out of here, because I don't want to give you guys a tour of our Kroger that you guys never gonna go to. So, and it's music playing in the background, so we're gonna touch you guys once we leave the Kroger. Okay, bye. All right, so we are back in the car.
Yes.
We were not able to get any Starbucks because it's like
closed.
It's 4:08 and they're closed, so we didn't get us any drinks. But this new Kroger is humongous, and our regular Kroger, I know where everything is at, and it's like a fast process, but with this one I didn't know where anything was at, and it's huge compared to our new Kroger. It's an old super Kmart, so it's like really huge in there. They have everything in this Kroger, so I really enjoyed being able to come here the first time.
And also I love the car.
Huh?
I love this car.
Oh, yesterday we got a new car, so we got a
Yes, you don't know, guys, you don't know why I love this car. It got chargers.
well, the car has chargers all over it. But whatever. We got a new car. We got a Terrain. So it's like a roomy SUV compared to our little bitty Malibu that we were driving in. So we got like a hatchback and everything. So we're happy about this new car that we got. But we're going to take our groceries to the house. And then we're going to go to another store. We're going to go to Home Depot. And I think we're going to go to Sam's Club to get diapers and Lysol. Maybe we'll do Sam's Club tomorrow. I'm not really sure, but that's it. So we're about to just head back to the house and take the groceries in. No, we're not chilling at the house. We got to leave back out. We're doing some shopping. Like, come on, Kyler. You guys just want to go home and play Roblox.
I want to chill.
That's chilling to you. Going home playing Roblox.
Yeah, that's chilling.
We're shopping today out in the world. That's what we're doing.
Okay.
Daddy, stop touching your face.
So guys,
oh my God, guys. So
hey guys.
like I was saying in the beginning, Kroger's have lifted their mask mandate, so you don't have to wear a mask if you're vaccinated. Well, Michigan has lifted that, and I think a lot of other states have. However, I think that is just so crazy because everybody, number one, can't get the vaccine. Number two, the vaccine is not 100% going to prevent you from getting COVID. So why should you still not want to wear your mask? It was so many people in the grocery store just now without a mask, and it was just like irking my nerve. Like, really, you really is just that careless because the vaccine is not 100%. It's like 93, 95%. Like, I don't know.
Hey guys.
If I do decide to get vaccinated in the future, I'm still gonna wear my mask. I am. So we're gonna talk to you guys after we get all these groceries in the house, and
I'm crazy.
once we get back on the road and get out. But until then. Alright guys, so turn it down. So we are at the house unloading the car, and I couldn't wait to eat my food. So while they unloading the car, I'm sitting here eating my sushi, and it's so good, y'all. Normally I only like sushi from Sam's Club, but this Kroger, this is my favorite sushi right here. This Kroger sushi, baby, it's good with the water.
Oh yeah.
It's good. And then they had this like grab and go cocktail shrimp. This is good too. So I'm sitting here having me a little appetizer while they unload the car. And this was worth it. It was definitely worth it. You see I'm making a mess. My daddy unloading the car. We're just waiting on him. He putting the stuff up. And then we're about to finish our shopping trip. But if your Kroger have a sushi bar, try the sushi. It's good. I should not be eating in my new car. But guess what?
Yes.
It's mine. I can do what I want to do.
And it's mine.
Oh, she can't.
Yeah. It's yours. Yeah.
Every time I get a car, Kyler always think it's hers.
Cause
My last car. My car. My car. My car. This car. My car. My car. My car. Girl.
it's our car.
Okay, daddy done putting up the groceries. Let me finish this and I'm gonna go to Home Depot. We have made it to the Sam's Club. We are only gonna be like super quick in here. We are going to get some diapers for the baby. Everybody is having appetizers. They eating Lunchable in the back seat. Me and daddy was having our cocktail shrimp and our sushi. But we're about to get into Sam's Club and get out of Sam's Club. We only get diapers. That's it. So we'll talk to y'all. I guess we're gonna take you guys along because they don't play music in Sam's Club. Yeah. Somebody was littering and it's like something wet in the ground. I absolutely hate when people does that. And then you get all on the bottom of your shoes. That's why you don't need to be wearing shoes in the house, because you step and stuff like that and they get all over your shoes. Leave that stuff in the car. She's crying for more Lunchables. Alright guys, so we went to the Sam's Club, but I had to go in and come back out by myself real fast. Why, Kyler? Because she left her shoes. This kid left her freaking shoes at the house when we stopped to put the stuff in the house from the Kroger. So she didn't have any shoes on. So I don't know what she was thinking about. I don't know. We took our shoes off at the door at the house. So she took her shoes off and then she came back outside and got in the car and forgot her shoes. So we get to the Sam's Club and I'm like, Kyler, put your shoes on. She don't have any shoes in the car. So I'm like, what the hell? We had like 2 other stores that we wanted to go to, but that just like killed our mood and we're about to go back home. So we're headed back to the house now.
Guys, look at me.
And listen, her plan to chill at home has worked because it's like we're about to just go home and chill because Daddy don't want to do anything else. He just want to go home because he's headed up to here with Kyler and her crap. And she did not have any shoes on. So imagine, you get somewhere, you get ready to get out the car, all the kids ready to go except one because they don't have any shoes on. So like Kyler and Kaylin wanted to do in the first place, they went to chill at home. They didn't want to do any shopping. So guess what? We're about to go home and chill because this Saturday's shopping trip was a fail. It was a fail because I was supposed to go to Sam's Club and walk around Sam's Club and, you know, look at some stuff. Let Sam's Club tell me that I need stuff that I didn't need. But the universe said, no, honey, you're going to go to Sam's Club, you're going to get them diapers, you're going to leave back out because Kyler don't have any shoes on. So we are about to go home. We'll talk to you once we get back to the house, and I guess I'll vlog a little bit at the house. I'm gonna make chicken sliders and regular beef sliders, so maybe I'll let you guys cook with me later. I just wanted to do a little vlog today, but Kyler have made this day very hectic because me and Daddy patience are like almost at a breaking point right now, and we try to be very patient with them, but you leaving your freaking shoes at the house is just like mind-blowing, blowing my mind. All right, hey guys, so we are back out and about and we are at Walmart. I needed to get a new memory card for my camera. We went home, we chilled out for a little bit, and we are at Walmart. So we tried this again. Kyler has shoes on, Kaylin has shoes on. Kristen doesn't have any shoes on, but she's in the carrier. So we are inside the Walmart. Why do we need a desk? So we are in Walmart. We're gonna look and see if they have like this little bike that I wanted to get for Kristen. They didn't have it at our local Walmart, so we drove a little bit farther out to see if they have it. If not, I'm just gonna order it online.
Wait, Morgan. Okay.
And from the looks of it, they do not have it. They don't have any bikes. They have about 3 or 4 bikes.
What? How does Kroger make the bike?
We are at Walmart, not Kroger.
How do Walmart make the bike?
Alright, so I'm gonna have to order her bike that I want to get for her off the internet and get it shipped to the house. Mostly that's what you have to do with everything nowadays because the stores be like cleaned out like Christmas time all the time. So we only came here to get this memory card, but Walmart is going to tell us what else we need to get while we're here. So let's do some shopping.
Hey guys!
Alright Alright guys, so it is later on in the day. If you can see, I have my hair wrapped up. I am in a robe. We have had dinner. We made sliders and burgers, but I did not record that process because it was like super quick. This has been like a long day of shopping. Like this has been a long Saturday shopping day. For Walmart, we ended up getting a memory card, like I said, when we were there, and we actually got a volleyball set, but I did not vlog any of that. We are going to put the volleyball set up in the yard, and that will be on a separate vlog. Sorry. And we also went to Menards, and I got another rose bush, and that'll be a second vlog for me to plant those. But we're going to end this vlog right here because this has been a long day. Like I said, it's been a long Saturday. I'm about to get all this makeup off. Let me take these lashes off. Like, that's always so satisfying.
Hey guys,
Oh, and there will be a link in the description box for these lashes. I have new styles for my lashes. So make sure you guys check those out in my eBay store. However, we're going to end this day. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Make sure, wait, no. Before I say all that, like, comment, share, subscribe. We are almost at the 100 subscriber mark. Help us get there. If you like our vlogs, if you like our Cinderella wig videos, if you like our hair videos, if you just like our videos, subscribe. If not, tell us what type of videos you want us to do. Until next time, peace out.
Peace.